Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This short guide shows 3 ways to import Google Form data into Excel. You can connect Google Sheets, download a CSV, or use an add-on. Each option fits different needs and update frequencies for your workflow. We start with the simplest live link method using Google Sheets. Keep file permissions in mind to ensure continuous syncing and security. This method avoids manual copying and reduces human error when transferring responses. Now follow the practical steps in the next slide to set up syncing quickly. Open your Google form and click Responses to access the collected entries. Click the green Sheets icon to create or link a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Choose to create a new sheet or select an existing one to receive responses. In Excel, open Get data from other sources from web to pull sheet data. Use the published Google Sheets URL or download CSV for a static import. If using a live link, enable automatic refresh every 15 minutes in query. Check permissions so Excel can access the sheet when updates occur. For a static snapshot, open Responses and click the 3 dots to select Download. Choose CSV and save the file to your computer in a familiar folder. Open Excel and use File Open or Data from Text to import CSV files correctly. Alternatively, install an add-on like SheetGo for automated transfers with filters and scheduling. Set filter rules, schedule updates, and monitor transfer logs inside the add-on interface. Always verify column types and format dates after importing to prevent calculation errors. Keep backups by saving periodic CSV exports and by versioning linked sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.